Hey you guys, how's it going? So I have a little problem. I've had it for a while. I've tried to change my cushions and things like that into fall decor, and that didn't really happen. And then I did that. And here's some footage. Roll the footage, my editing self. And then I took a look at the entire wall and I didn't like the gallery wall. I removed everything off the wall. Now I have a problem. I have an empty wall. This wall is not perfect. It has little dots, although I tried to patch it as much as I possibly can. So now I'm left with an empty wall. What is it that I haven't done in a very, very long time? I haven't painted. There's reasons why I don't paint. I honestly don't paint because I'm not very good at it. But also I haven't painted because I haven't bought the supplies. So a few days back, I took a trip with Ali and I bought some supplies. I'm gonna paint today. That's literally what I'm gonna do. I'm going to solve this problem. I'm gonna arrange the gallery wall, show you how it turns out. So I'm inspired by this artist that I found on Pinterest, Pia Schneider. I don't know if that's how you pronounce her name. That is not exactly the color scheme I'm going for. I like her work. I like how abstract, I'll insert some works of her here, but I like how abstract it is, and I like that she has little dots. But I want to have my color scheme of the pillows and everything onto my canvas. I'm painting with acrylic. I really hope that I don't fail. No, don't break my plant. I don't exactly have a color palette, but I have this ruined cutting board from Ikea. It was really cheap, so I'm going to use it as my color palette. Also, I'm not sure if this is like a good brand for like, acrylic colors. I don't even know what it is, but we're gonna try it. I'm gonna tell you how I feel about it. This is becoming an art haul very, very fast. I bought Studio acrylic colors. I got it in white because I know white always runs out. I've got the golden Sharpie, no reason, just wanted to get it. I got this huge brush, these teeny tiny brushes, white pen, and I have my trusty Starbucks mug that I'm gonna fill with water and come back. I'm gonna start with, what is it called? Like a primer? What? 35 dirhams for this? Are you kidding me? What I'm envisioning is a little beigey kind of background. So that's what we're going to do. Today is a very special day. It's my nephew's birthday. I'm going to change your position, you guys. I don't want to show you the mess that my house is today. I don't know what to say. I don't know. Guys, it's pretty with the sun, but I can't see. I'm going to close the window a little. Oh my god. The water is out of the cup. Good not. I deserve it. I deserve it. Good morning. It's the next morning right now. To be honest with you, I like the color of the background because I ended up changing everything. I repainted it with this shade of like, I was trying to get to this shade to be honest, but it came nothing like it. And I think I realized the struggle of artists. It's frustrating when it doesn't come out exactly how you want it to be. So today I'm going to take over, try to not think about it as much. I can see the brush strokes on camera, but I can't see them in real life. Okay, let's finish this. Also, what a mess. Honest with you, I'm really scared of ruining it all over again. I'm going to use my magical skills. Really, I'm just going to use Sketchbook app. I've already done that, and I'm going to select the box that I want to select. If I had a couple more of those boxes. Well, you guys, now my abstract painting is complete, and to me this is fall. I'm very satisfied now with painting. I'm going right now to Ikea to pick up some things for the fall. I have few things that I need, but I'm going there specifically to find few things for the fall. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking you with me. My house is very, very messy. Happy birthday, Omar. I wish you all the happiness in the world.
Calling Ali. Mobile.
I've gotten to Ikea already. Textures. Okay. Quick story time. This is where I used to have lunch. And then me and my friend Lina, we would glance over this balcony to the other section. And it was the best time ever because we saw things before anyone else did. I'm going to pay for those things and head home. Hey. PewDiePie taught me to always return the phone. Bye. Bye. Well, hello you guys, I'm back home right now and I'm gonna give you a haul of what I bought from Ikea. This board, Alcida Poof, 2 of it. Feather filled 65 by 65 cushion, faux sheepskin, art box. It's like a couple boxes inside of each other. Chin cover, 3 handy brushes. Okay, I'm hanging this one, it's nighttime currently, but there's a tip for you. If you want to hang something on the wall and you want to make sure, especially if it has 2 places for nails like this one, what I do is I put a masking tape on the top, and then what I do is I just mark the place where the nail will go, exactly where I marked. There, I already made sure that it's level, and I'm gonna nail where I marked. I find that the easiest way to penetrate a concrete wall is to nail. Would you look at that? I didn't need anyone to do anything. Just did it myself. Okay, you guys, it's the 3rd day today and my washing machine is creating a symphony for me, but I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to arrange my gallery wall. First of all, by the way, I'm burning some incense, which is like an Arab way to create a nice smell because you guys are here. Welcome to my house. I'm gonna use some of this neon tape. It was very cheap and I bought it a long time ago to create borders on the wall because it's very easy to remove. You can also use masking tape, so I'm going to start doing that. What I'm gonna do is I've measured it, 218 by 130. What I want to do is I want to focus my attention. I'm gonna split this into 3 equal sections. I don't want it centered, so what I'm going to do is have my biggest painting here, and then what I want to do is I want to balance the visual weight. Maybe I want to bring it to this side a little bit, shift it to this side. I want to do something crazy with the wall, so I kind of want to have my Alcida, this one. I want to hang it on the wall because not a lot of people do know that, but I can hang it on the wall, I can use it and not use it. And then what I want to do is I want to have the smaller things here to kind of fill the space but also to make it look nice. So like 3 frames. I think I'm set with how this will look. Turn this to its back. Bring the tape. I hope I can show this frame. I'm really sorry you guys, but what happened is that my camera shut down and I didn't notice that it was off. So basically what I did next is I did the same thing that I did with the board yesterday. So I taped everything where it's supposed to be, measured everything, and here's the final result. guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have anything that you wanted to add. I would love a pumpkin. If you know a place that sells golden and white pumpkins, please let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great time of the day wherever you are in the world. Goodbye.